That's why we went to demonstrate yesterday in front of TikTok.
Okay, alright. I saw that last Friday you did that Impunan Gaga TikTok. So what was it all about?
All about this lah.
You want to pressure TikTok. Okay.
To pressure TikTok. Why are you doing this?
Okay.
Why you become the lackey to the Pakatan government? Why are you doing this to people like us? This freedom of expression, freedom of speech. Anwar Ibrahim teach me what?
Okay. But they can always say what? They have guidelines.
What guideline?
They have guidelines, so maybe they don't like potty mouths.
I didn't even put a video also. They banned my video.
Okay.
What guideline is that now?
But maybe because you have previous times have done many videos, you have attacked, you have made baseless claims about people.
Charge me in court. If you think I've done something wrong, you close my account. If I've done wrong, charge me in the court lah.
And you never got charged?
No, never.